no credit check, and you can get this loan in just 15 minutes. Look at this. You can apply 24/7. You can borrow from $200 to $1,000. There is no credit report review, and at the same time you can have cash in your account within 15 minutes. I'm gonna give you each and every detail, means what this loan has to offer, what it means when I say no credit check personal loan, and how you can get this loan in just 15 minutes. Well, remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And please don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So let's not wait and begin. Well, this loan is from All In Credit Union, a pretty famous name, but you need to understand that not everyone knows about this. Look at this. They call it payday assistance loan. This is a very important point, and you need to understand, because this is a payday assistance loan. This is not a payday loan, so please keep this in mind. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence and research before you apply for any of the credit products that you see on any platform, such as on YouTube or anywhere. Even if you see anything on Credit Oaks channel, please do your own research first. Now, they say there's a better way to manage your short-term cash needs. Well, millions of consumers use high-cost payday loans each year, but there is a better solution. Cash Please provide you with access to small dollar short-term loans from All In Credit Union. When using Cash Please, they call it Cash Please by the way, you benefit from increased accessibility, simplicity, and affordability. This is important, and I love the features of this loan, means that you don't have to wait for 9 to 5, means not in the working hours. You can actually apply this loan 24/7, and there's no credit report review, but there are some things that you need to fulfill. Look at this. They say you can apply 24/7. You can borrow from $200 to $1,000. Of course, this is a small personal loan. There is no credit report review. You can also say no credit check, which is a great thing. Typically, you can have cash in your account within 15 minutes, and this is huge. The process may take longer if after hours, so please keep this in mind, weekends or holidays. Reasonable interest rates and fees. This 28% rate and $20 fee are governed by NCUA, and you also need to understand that many of the payday loans comes with 300, 400, 600, or sometimes 1000% APR, which is crazy, to be honest. This should be illegal, though 28% is still a lot, but it's still way better than those payday loans that actually ruined a number of lives. Well, they say you can have peace of mind in obtaining short-term funds from your trusted financial institution. The $20 application fee is charged regardless of approval or loan acceptance. There is no fee if the loan is for the Military Lending Act. MLA status is based on the data from the DoD MLA website. This is huge, and you also need to understand that this is a credit union. So how you can apply, this is the biggest question. So let me click right here and apply now. As soon as I click on it, a page will open. Let me just actually show you right here, and this page will open. They call it small dollar short-term loans, fast, easy, affordable, and smart. When life throws you a curveball, you need easy access. Let me just zoom in so you can see it properly. So I'm not gonna go into this description of the loan, but look at this. Why Cash Please better? You can save big on interest and you can borrow from 200 to 1000 subject to eligibility restrictions. Typically have cash in your accounts in 15 minutes. Comfort of working with your own trusted financial institution. Now here's the eligibility, and this is important. No active cash please loan. So this is important, that make sure this is your first time you don't have an active cash please loan already, means you're not applying for another cash please loan. And if you already had one, then this is good because you already paid it. But now you need to understand you cannot have two cash please loan at the same time. You need to wait at least 1 day after paying off a prior cash please loan. So this is what I meant by this. No more than 3 cash please loan during a 6-month period. Keep this in mind. All-in checking account must be open and in good standing for at least 120 days. For all-in credit union, means in all-in credit union you have to have a checking account. Must be a primary owner or eligible. All-in checking account is in good standing, so please keep this in mind. So you can actually get started by clicking right here. I'm going to paste the link in the video's description. You can click on it and read it yourself, and of course you can apply there as well. But let me see what happens when I click on get started. As soon as I click on it, they actually ask me to verify my personal information. They ask my first name, of course, last name, last 4 digit of social security number. What it means that there is no hard inquiry. When you put last 4 digits, usually it means soft credit pull or maybe no credit check. It depends, but right here it seems like a soft credit pull. Date of birth, you have to mention right here. Email address, you have to re-enter your email address right here. Your password, and your password should be at least 12 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and it should have 1 number and at least 1 special character. And then by providing your personal information, you're agreeing to the privacy policy. You can read it by clicking on it, and then you need to create an account. As soon as you create an account, of course it will take you to the next page. But one thing that you need to understand, that you have to have a checking account with good standing in all-in credit union. So in order to have this loan, you have to have an account with all-in credit union. So please keep this in mind. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of credit card with no credit check at all, and you can get that credit card even with no or bad credit. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And please don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. If you have any questions related to this or any other credit products that we reviewed on the Credit Oaks channel, then please let us know in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer each and every question of yours, as the Credit Oaks show is going to help you and will always help you when it comes to these financial adventures. And one thing that you need to understand, that this is a credit product, so please listen to this, as this comes with hefty APR. So please apply for those credit products which you believe that you can pay back and pay on time as well, as it can ruin your credit, it can ruin your financial situation, and it can ruin your life as well. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.